Srimati Sita Devi and Shri Om Prakash Agrawal, the grandparents of Anushka, Riddhika and Trisha, would like to thank everyone on behalf of the whole Agrawal family. I kindly request Chaitanya to accompany your grandfather on stage.
नमस्कार, गुड इवनिंग। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में पधारे हुए आप सभी पारिवारिक सदस्यों, संबंधियों एवं दोस्तों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। आपने यहाँ पर हमारे इस आयोजन को गरिमा प्रदान की है, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपने अपनी उपस्थिति से बच्चों का जो उत्साह बढ़ाया है एवं आशीर्वाद प्रदान किया है, उसके लिए मैं अपने परिवार के सभी सदस्यों की तरफ से आपका आभारी हूँ। हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर गुरु श्री दीपक मजुमदार, जो एक भरतनाट्यम एक्सपोनेंट हैं, उनका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। कृपया ताली से। आवर हार्टिएस्ट थैंक्स टू आवर चीफ गेस्ट श्रीमती सुधा वर्डे, जो एक प्रसिद्ध सोशल वर्कर हैं और स्वयं में एक फोक डांसर हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप तालियों से उनका स्वागत करें। गुरु श्री श्रीमती सेलम परांजपे की आशीर्वाद में उपस्थिति के लिए हमारा भाव भरा स्वागत है। कृपया। Lastly, yet most importantly, I express my heartiest gratitude to the dynamic Guru, Madam Mitali, who has trained her disciples in this beautiful dance form of Odissi. She is blessed with a charming personality, and she teaches her disciples with encouragement, dedication, blessings. She is stern yet loving to her students. मैं चाहता हूं कि उनके सम्मान में इस छोर से उस छोर तक तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट। बच्चों की लगन, उनके एवं उत्साह देखकर मैं दंग हूँ। मेरा प्यार भरा आशीर्वाद इन 4 लाइनों के साथ मैं बच्चों को समर्पित कर रहा हूँ। तुम तो बस इतना याद रखो, मंजिल तक पहुंचना जरूरी है। थकान तो होगी ही, पसीना बहेगा ही, हंसकर सहना जरूरी है। नामुमकिन कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ इरादे मजबूत होना जरूरी है। मत भूलो, निशान कदमों के उनके ही पूजे जाते हैं जो ठान लेते हैं कि जिंदगी में जीतना जरूरी है। जिंदगी में जीतना जरूरी है। आगे का कार्यक्रम और भी विशेष है। कृपया पूरा कार्यक्रम का आनंद लें, बच्चों का उत्साह बढ़ाते रहें। कार्यक्रम के पूर्ण होने के बाद गोविंदा रेस्टोरेंट में आपके लिए यहाँ पर 56 भोग प्रसादम का आयोजन किया हुआ है। कृपया सभी प्रसाद लेकर के ही घर जाएं। हम बहुत उनके आभारी रहेंगे आप सबके। धन्यवाद।
Now we come to a very important part of the presentation, is the felicitation of our musicians. They are often not highlighted in a performance, dance performance, but they are a very important part, the other side of the coin. And I request Shri Om Prakash Agrawal to felicitate all our musicians. We begin with G. Ramprasad on the Mardala. He is the recipient of the Senior National Scholarship from Government of India, Talmani title by Sursingar Samsad, Mumbai. He has performed extensively in India for many leading Odissi dancers. Rohan Dahale, also on the Madala, learned from Guru Kelucharan Mohapatra and Guru Banamali Maharana in Orissa. Sashikanta Rath singer, archery singer, who was trained initially in Orissa under Pandit Manohar Chimoti and currently under the tutelage of Pandit Nayan Ghosh. Agnimitra Behera was introduced to the violin by his father, Guru Dayanidhi Behera. He completed his masters in Utkal Sangeet Vidyalaya and is recipient of the prestigious Pandit Bhuvaneshwar Mishra Award. Niranjan Sinha on flute, trained under Pandit Guru Volanath Prasanna. He is the recipient of the Music Scholarship from Government of India and represented India abroad through ICCR. Aparna Diodar Sitar has trained under her father, Pandit Arvind Apte, and also Pandit Kartik Kumar. Her talent lies in the ability to play for various classical dance styles. Thank you, everyone. We also like to thank the makeup artist for today, Mahadev. Shilpa, who is responsible for the hair and dress. Photography, Nitin Chitnis, who's... Is Nitin there? Yeah, please come stage, Nitin. Also, like to thank today's video and photography by Girish Nambiar, who's on the cameras there. The wonderful photographs in the brochures are done by Nitin. For lights and sound, Ashok, who's on the sound. Okay. For the exquisite lighting of today, thank you, Ashok. A very special thanks to Patikrit Mukherjee for the stage design, the lovely design ambience that you see today, the invitations and all the creatives. He has been involved in this project right from day one, and all the exquisite invitations, stage decor has been the result of his creative and artistic talents. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Patikrit. Yeah. Costumes by Gulambai. Compare for this evening, Prachi Sathi is an accomplished classical Bharatanatyam dancer in her own right, an established voiceover also for many artists. I take this opportunity to also invite on stage Guru Shankar Behera. Please, Guruji, who has been an inspiration and a close friend of Mithali and myself for many years. Please come.
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, पहली बार स्टेज गुजार रहे हैं और इतने अच्छे उनके फ्यूचर है और बहुत अच्छे तरफ किए हैं और कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे। और इनके जो भी फ्यूचर है और सिखाया वो मिताली ने इतने सुंदर से और अच्छे तरफ किए और वो इतना मुझे अच्छा लगा है, यही मैं बोल के उनको आशीर्वाद देता हूँ। आगे बहुत अच्छा करेंगे और हम लोग का गाइडेंस रहेगा और बहुत अच्छे करेंगे वो।
Thank you, Guruji. Another one, a person who has inspired Mithali and myself is Srimati Mandakini Trivedi. I kindly request her to come on stage too. The quote that we started this evening's performance was written in her book, Sutras on Dance. She has also written another book, Yoga of Indian Dance, which is always at her bedside. And whenever Mithali wakes up or she needs some inspiration, she goes through this book and is really inspired. Thank you. I request you to say a few words.
Good evening, friends. It's always touching to see young people take to a classical discipline in these days of Dance India dance and whatnot. And I sincerely hope and pray that these students continue the training with encouragement from their elders, their parents, because Arangetram is just a beginning and it requires years and years of dedication to perfect it. I genuinely, sincerely hope that they continue with Mitali for many, many more years, because they're in good hands and carrying forward a great lineage from Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. And my best wishes to the teacher, the students, and to the family for bringing them so far. And please take them forward, whether they marry or have jobs or whatever. Please.
Thank you very much. The family would now like to honor the Guru, Srimati Mitali Raul, an accomplished Odissi artist, is one of the senior most disciples of Srimati Jhelam Paranjpe, and was also trained under Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra. This is also another painting done by Anushka for their beloved Guru. I request Mitali to say a few words.
Anushka has specially made Buddha for me, painting of Buddha, because during practices I think I used to lose my cool very fast. So she has made a lovely painting, and I told her that I'll keep it in my place and my house and every day try to meditate. I always prefer, rather I would like to dance for even 3 hours than speaking for 5 minutes. Today is a very, very special day, and as Jhelamtai said that she is nostalgic about our Manch Pravesh, I too am very nostalgic about my Manch Pravesh. And maybe when we are at this age, or maybe so young, we don't realize the importance or the amount of efforts our parents taken to really give us this upbringing, the traditional values. So I would like to thank my mom and of course my dad, who is no more today, but I'm sure he's smiling at me from heaven. I would like to thank parents of Anushka, Ridhika and Trisha, because it's like Manda Didi said, that they are in safe hands, but to trust me and allow me to work with them was very important, because probably working with them made me even more experienced as a teacher. And I feel once a student, you are student for the life. So whatever they have learned, whatever you have learned is never going to go waste. So remember that, and maybe if you all decide to take any other career, like Manda Didi said, don't stop dancing. Arangetram is big. Arangetram Manch Pravesh is beginning of your journey. Okay. My deepest gratitude to each and everyone in small and big ways who have assisted me. You all have just heard about the lovely musicians who are here. I just feel comfortable when they are with me. Just feel so good when I just have them around me, because I think they are like my extended family. More than, I cannot say anything more than this. I just have short of words. नहीं, आपके लिए बोलूँगी. I think Patikrit has left, but he's been with me from day one, and I want to say khub bhalo. My dearest Sudhatai, I really want to thank you. You have been an inspiration to me, and I'm really short of words today that I cannot convey how happy I am to have you here as the chief guest. I also wish to age gracefully like you. Dear Deepak ji, you have been an inspiration and I thank you for it. Whatever doubts I have in dance or any advice, he's always there, just a phone call away. And I really appreciate that you have accepted our invite. My dearest Guru Jhilamtai, I just want to say one line, thanks for being there. I cannot say anything more. I also remember especially Guru Keluchan Mohapatra, who selflessly has given all his students whatever he could, and we all have been so fortunate to have him as our Guru, and I'm just trying to pass it on to all of you all. Whenever I went to their place to practice, whenever I used to take their class, their grandparents used to stop all the work in the house. And they used to be there and they had that twinkle in the eye that she's the best. And wow, she's such a lovely dancer. And it used to make me feel so happy because I think that especially their grandfather, from what I have heard, has been a source of inspiration to all of them in the family. Thank you, Hema ji, for coming and sparing your valuable time for us. I want to thank each and every one of you for making it today and making our day special. My cousin and I, Gauri and I, my cousin, we had our Manch Pravesh in the year 1990. And it was a memorable day for me, and I'm sure this day is also going to be memorable. Last but not the least, I would not be able to do anything of this without my three assistants. I would like to quickly call them Dia, Risa and Riva. Please come on stage. I forgot to introduce my husband Raul, who has been the male compere today, and he is a Bharatanatyam dancer too.
I think she's just shying away from giving him enough credit. He is probably the man behind the successful wife as well.
Thank you very much. We will now conclude with the last item.
Having such a wonderful family, I don't think there's any stopping to these girls. हम आज के इस सुंदर कार्यक्रम की समाप्ति करते हैं इस पावन और पूज्य भूमि को प्रणाम करते हुए। वंदे मातरम द्वारा त्रिशा, रिधिका, अनुष्का कहती हैं, हे धरती माँ, हम आपको नमन करते हैं। झरनों, नदियों, पर्वतों और मैदानों के रूप में आपने हमें आशीर्वाद दिया है। अपने खेतों में अनाज को उगाकर हमें जीवन दिया है। हमें अपने पेड़ों के साए में राहत देने वाली माँ, हे धरती माता, वंदे मातरम। हम आपके चरणों को चूमते हैं और आपके आगे अपना शीश झुकाते हैं। और आज गणतंत्र दिवस होने के नाते वंदे मातरम का अर्थ और भी गहरा हुआ है। मोक्ष, जो ओडिसी नृत्य शैली का अंतिम अंश है, ये नृत्य कलाकार को आध्यात्मिक पराकाष्ठा को दर्शाता है। इसमें कलाकार पल भर के लिए ही सही अपने आप को परमात्मा में लीन पाता है और परम शांति का अनुभव करता है। मोक्ष।
सुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये